Bye bye. Goodbye. Actually, I'm gonna go now to Makati, and one of my friends from France, he came now with his girlfriend to spend 1 month in the Philippines. So I told him don't stay in Manila too long, you know. And then he spent only 2 days. He's going back tomorrow. He's gonna fly again tomorrow. He's gonna go to, I think it's Palawan. He's going to El Nido, Bohol, Cebu. So for 1 month. He just booked the flight and he haven't booked any accommodation or anything. He just came with like backpackers, you know, just like that. The best, I guess. My back starts to feel very painful now because I didn't do any stretching or anything because of the road trip. So I start to really feel it now. My god, man. Tomorrow I'm back to work. It's gonna be hard, I think. Actually, this morning, me and my wife wake up and we're like, are we home, or you know, we wish we were still somewhere else, you know, than going back home. Just, you know the feeling when you're coming back. It's like, oh, okay, same. Which is, you know, I like my life. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's a bit. Just after holiday feelings kind of things, it's kind of hard sometimes, especially when you come back from Philippines. Like if you on holiday in the Philippines and you come back to Europe, oh, the feeling is awful, you know, Philippine post-depression, that's how they call it, PPD. It's kind of hard, to be honest. I got it twice and I didn't want to come back here to, you know, to have it again basically. So I just, yeah. Anyway, I move here after. Woo! Moving to the Philippines. Oh, Tangana, you fuckers. You bunch of idiots. Fucking hell. Those people are stupid, those bus drivers. Very crazy. At least have someone from the bus to get out and stop people to make sure everyone knows. Because the way it is, only one side knew about it and everybody else passed on the right. Just doesn't know anything, and then you get surprised by the bus. Anyway, that's the way it is, I know, but just left my friend. Actually, I haven't seen him for a very long time, man. My gloves still wet from early, that's quite annoying. Hotel Zen. I think they pay like 1,000 pesos a night to stay here. They get it the last minute. The neighborhood in Makati here behind Buendia, it's not really the greatest place to be, but it's okay. It's not that bad. It's always worst. He just tried my bike and he was like, wow, so nice. Because he's used to actually 600cc Honda. But then yeah, he said this one is very nice, very light. So I'm gonna go home. Look at the sunset! Fuck, I wish I could see the sunset every night, man. Every night at this time I just walk. This is gonna be shit traffic to go home, man. I need to go in Las Pinas. And I'm in Buendia. Where's that? Zobel Rojas Street. Nice. Where should I go, guys? Oh.
many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my